What is your Twitter?
Who?
You.
Okay, I
I
think it's
just
good
made a
now.
Twitter.
Stream should be out.
It's the same as my. It's at Vox Turner. Though the display name is different, but yeah, that's it.
Okay. So.
Bed Bath and
All the
Beyond.
tickers are listed as weird names. They're not. You can't find the tickers like for the indexes and the like investment firms.
Some are private sharehold, like they're not.
Yeah.
They're not
so
public.
apparently only the big guys are trading these. Like we can't just we can't.
It specifically says at the beginning that some of these shares, like some of these tickers, are not actually public tickers that are accessible to the public market, and that they represent like less than 1%.
Oh wait. Hold on. Pause. Wait. I'm looking at the import P of this. It's saying that the issue is Goldman Sachs. Let's see. It's a long short swap with a 0.1. Is that 0.1% or 10%?
Hard to read these values.
What the fuck is a bullet swap?
A what?
A bullet swap.
Oh, I'm pretty sure.
Oh.
Aren't bullet swaps the same kind of shit that they were doing with that's the renamed version?
Unlike resetting swaps, it is a swap in which the notional principal is constant throughout the life of the swap. In this type of swap, no regular cash flows take place. This means there is no termination of the existing swap and an initiation of a new swap at the same underlying equity level, as it is with the case usually with resetting equity swaps. Instead, parties to the swap agree to make a single payment at a maturity date. This structure reflects a constant risk offset requirement which may be combined with the use of a debt security, with the principal being fully paid at maturity. When's the maturity?
June of next year, 2022.
Okay.
June 22nd, I think, or June something.
Wait, so what's the fund? What's like the parent fund to this?
Barclays Bank.
What the fuck?
PLC is the ticker.
Here's the rest of
Barclays
2000.
Yeah, so terminations of maturity date is 2022-05-19.
Hey, guess
So
what?
like,
Macy's is in here.
They
Astro.
make one single payment
What the fuck?
when this mature.
I don't know. State Street Institutional Liquid Reserves Fund.
Yeah, I'm googling a lot of this stuff right now. I'm posting some of the tickers I'm finding.
I'm 77 tickers through this thing, putting them in this spreadsheet. It's a Google Doc. I will share it when I'm done.
When you
I
look
will allow editing to select people.
when you look up the equity type or like the series ID or the contract class, when you Google it, it takes you to a SEC filing, and all the different ones I've looked up so far go to Edgar, and then it comes up under CIK. CIK is a long short equity fund. I posted the ticker in the Discord. It looks pretty fucking. Let me see.
The problem is if we share this what I think is we share that. Okay, well, if we share this publicly and get it widely known, they're just going to switch tactics. It's going to be they got caught, and they're not going to. Well, no, I mean they're not going to do it immediately, but in the future they will stop using
if
this or something. Yeah.
So they do, and then this swap crashes, right? We see everything. It's all right there.
And then, so once we figure this out, you only have so much time to take advantage of it before you have to find the new swap or the new whatever they're using.
I think forcing them to find a new swap is just as worth it, right? Like,
yeah.
I think information is our weapons, and they're keeping this hidden. So like, might as well just show this, and possibly like someone who know more than us can give us like the informations.
Agreed. I'm trying to figure out what the. They have the WWE in here. That's fucked up.
Yeah,
brother.
Beyond Meat is in here. Bed
So if
Bath
we
and
pull
Beyond.
up Fubo,
They have Hostess.
wow.
They're short Hostess
My
by
fucking
69
Twinkies.
shares.
Wow.
they deserve death.
I restarted the stream, guys. It should be good now. Quantum
Proto Lab.
What the fuck? Okay, hold on. Year. Here's one from 6 days ago. Oh my god.
What do you mean?
I just found one that I think is from. Yeah. Let's see what's in this.
This
motherfucker.
PDF is from the 25th. Yeah. Now, divide the number of shares or by the value, and tell me what number you get. Yeah. So what's each share worth in terms of the short position? Yeah, and then underneath it has value of those shares. So negatives are
Pretty
shorts.
much that's how. Yeah.
Okay.
That's how.
Take so the IV value at the just below it is the cumulative value of all of the shares that they have long or short. Figure out how much each share is worth. Figure out how much each share is worth, and tell me what AMC that is for AMC, and tell me how that correlates with the price action of AMC. Because we found that was pretty interesting of what price it came out to be.
Especially since there's two AMCs and they both are very closely correlated to.
There's two positions.
Yeah.
The IV value is it's the cumulative value of all the shares.
Yeah, so divide the 13,500 by 200 and what is that, 39? 239?
Whoa.
Now the question is that the same for the?
And what price do they not want it to go over? This last run up, what price did they do everything they could to keep it under? 60.
Yeah, 65 was the ceiling. If it even touched 65, they shot that shit down.
Much above that, they were negative. The shorts were negative.
By a lot.
Money.
Not even a little bit, by a lot.
I'm not even a quarter way through these tickers, by the way, and I'm almost up to 100. They're shorting steel too. Like the commodity.
Fuck China.
No, this is American steel.
Oh.
It's X. They are shorting X.
This shit. Okay, so this shit gives you the fucking code. The ISINs. If you Google those, you'll go find these filings. I don't know if you like can just find these anywhere else, and it tells you all the stuff they're going with, like all the deals all the people they're doing deals with, and what values and volumes they're doing them at. This is fucking crazy. One of them I just posted has like Barclays, Wells Fargo, Goldman Sachs, J.P. Morgan, City Street, Citigroup.
It's all. This is how the banks are making their money instead of lending.
Wait, what about? Okay, that should do it. I'm so sorry, chat. Look at this fucking FSYAX has the same price movement as AMC.
Mm-hmm. If you look at Barclays PLS or whatever, it's in a lot of places it's just inverted.
Look at this. Yep, there's the June run. But it happened before June. Wait, what?
So I actually have a slight theory on this. I think that there's like there's a reason that there's a cyclical pattern to these shorted stocks. And that is in order to have them be like, if they're cyclical, they're not going to show up as regularly as major dips or rips, and they can just continue to keep a trend on their.
Interesting. Fuck. Fuck me.
I'm like a.
Yo, so if you guys look at pretty much I'm looking at the other tickle like VSAT, SAT,
Discovery is shorted.
Of course it is.
The values of like the value divided by shares, most of those tickers since January's are trading within that range.
I think this started when COVID, like this thing, this basket started when COVID happened.
I've been seeing it was about a month and a half before.
Yeah.
A month and a half before COVID hit the headlines. Overall portfolio composition, 70% cash, 1.7% stocks, 28% other. Oh, here's the top 10 holdings. What the fuck? What the hell is this?
So I think we can confirm that Bed Bath & Beyond is following the same pattern with AMC and GB.
State Street Institutional Liquid Reserves Premium. What the fuck?
It's
Oh, are they leveraging it with this? Oh my god. Does this look familiar? Does this look familiar to you?
Nope.
Holy fucking god! Wait.
Literally never seen that pattern in my life.
JK. I'm a retard. Hold on. Why is it? Oh, you motherfucker! It doesn't even have a fucking chart. What the hell?
Nope, because it's not publicly traded.
SSIXX.
Looks like the American dollar to me.
What the fuck is this shit? Oh my god.
If a Black Friday happened and this thing hit, I would be, or Black Monday, or whatever the fuck it is.
Go full screen to get full chart.
So, are you guys familiar with Lou versus Wall Street?
Yes.
The case?
No, the YouTubers.
Oh no, I was thinking there's like a
Yeah, well, that's
case.
his. That was his old YouTube channel names. But so pretty much Lou was an old school traders. He'd been in Wall Street since like the 80s, and according to him, and I haven't found any credential for it, but he was part of like forming the high frequency trading machines. So he was pretty much in that tech movement with them. And since I think
there's a reason why all those high frequency trading machines are in the same building as the actual exchange servers. Because then they get that fucking super advantage of.
Yeah, but he called a lot of the shit that eventually, like over the next few, like since March, I think that over the next few months we begin to find out like the dark pool trading, the secondary books, the offsite exchange. And he's saying that this is one of his like way in the past. He mentioned that if thing does ever squeeze, squeeze on a day that we're all like a national holiday. And guess when's the next national holiday?
Right.
And they would want it to squeeze on a national holiday, but if no one sells on a national holiday, then the squeeze is going to continue into the day after.
Yeah, pretty much. Like they're gonna want to get.
Wait, hold on.
If you think
that's inflow outflow.
Yeah, I know, but isn't this what the volume looks like? What the fuck? If you pull up a volume chart, it would look like that. Wait. I wonder if as this tightens, if that... Oh my god. As this tightens, they have less money.
It's a spring. It's pulling the spring back.
Oh my god. Tri-party repo? Oh my fuck. So, FSYAX is this right here, right? This whole entire thing is based, it is FSYAX. It's an ETF, right?
Mm-hmm.
I gotta make sure I get this right. FS Series Trust. Right. Okay. So... Okay, so FSYAX is composed of 75% being State Street Institutional Liquid Reserves, which is composed of KBC Bank, Mizuho Bank, Australia New Zealand Banking Group. That doesn't sound fucking shady. Citibank, Kingdom of the Netherlands, Bank of America Tri-Party Repo, JP Morgan Chase Tri-Party Repo, BNP Paribas Prime Brokerage International Tri-Party Repo.
Okay. I'll be right back.
What are you seeing? Can you smooth brain it for me a little bit?
Hold on. I gotta fucking parse through this in my head. Give me a second. I'm sorry.
Right, guys. Good luck. Good luck, Astro. I'll be back.
Thank you. Later, brother.
What if it starts the run up on Wednesday, and the actual squeeze is next Monday?
It's a possibility, but because of the acceleration that we've seen.
Well, I mean, like it could just be because with the new margin requirements, if it starts running up.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
On Wednesday,
like the standard squeeze
on Friday.
Right.
On Friday, let's say it runs up on Wednesday, then they have 3 days for the margin.
Right.
Which would be technically the next Tuesday. So the squeeze would have happened on that holiday.
Sort of, yeah.
Well, I mean, during the holiday, they'll be able to do like shit that we normal trader can't do on a normal market. So we would wake up to see AMC gapping like a motherfuckers during the pre-market. And they would want to do that. They would want this to go as high as possible so that FOMO can't just jump in. You know, if you imagine that they have a normal run.
I think the FOMO would hit the Friday before it, though. Like...
So if that's the case, and if we hit what? We start running tomorrow. We hit a crazy high Wednesday. Thursday we consolidate. Friday we get shorted down. And then we can just stay above what, like $60, $70. That's when we'll get that margin kick in. Because if the value that we calculated is correct, and they're shorting this around the $56, $57 range, with how, like, what, 500 million shares AMC ticker out there that potentially is being shorted to the living fuck.
Well, yeah, and then it's also they have to cover. Well, the thing is we don't know if these are in hundreds or thousands, and if they're in thousands, then that's a lot. But like, if it's just if these values that in here are single shares, then it'll run up high, but a lot of people are going to miss that because it's going to go quickly. If it's in hundreds of thousands,
I need help here.
Then
what? Okay. Look at this fucking. I have the semi-annual report for the State Street Institutional Liquidity Reserves, which is a 75% holding of SS or SYASX or whatever the fuck. I'm seeing a share sold of 3 billion. But I don't know. What? I don't exactly. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Here, let me link it.
What's up, buddy?
Oh, you motherfucker.
What you doing?
Bigums, my man. I was about to hit you up. Actually, I need your fucking help.
We found a potential gold mine.
Ooh.
Literally. Shares redeemed, shares. So 3 billion shares sold of this ETF.
Do you see that you were called my trophy husband in the video today?
No, I did not.
Oh no, that's how we ended.
I gotta listen to all of it. I jumped in for like 15 minutes and had to jump after that.
It was like at that one of the last questions was who? You said, "Are you Sam's husband, trophy husband, or is he yours?" And I was like, "We switch it off from time to time."
Where's swap?
They're short on Square. Fuck.
What the fucking shit? Aye.
9-3. Yeah, someone with a good Excel formatting experience will need to come in and fix the formatting of this shit so that it's easier to read and you can like sort shit. But I'll share this Excel when I'm done.
Wait. Gross unrealized depreciation of investments costs for federal income tax purposes were as follows. State Street Institutional Liquid Reserves Fund. Tax cost.
State Street, they just got removed from the DTCC
billion dollars.
They just got removed for like 2 weeks ago from the DTCC too.
What?
State Street? You're talking about?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it's in my first video.
Did. Yeah, no, they just got removed. They're not a partner anymore.
Same with PNB Parabolis. They were the other people that worked with State Street a lot. They were the number
that's
one
another.
bank.
What the fuck? That's another. Say PNB Paribas or whatever the fuck. However you pronounce it.
Yeah, that's the number one bank in France.
What the fuck?
You're probably looking at call is the flex options right now is what I'm guessing.
No, we found the basket.
We found the swap, or the swaps.
Tied to the derivatives, which would be that's what I'm saying.
Right.
You probably found the agreement.
Not exactly.
We found what's in the basket.
Right.
Are you on stream, Astro?
Yeah.
Where
the fuck was that?
PNB
was in here.
Would a prospectus on Barclays help?
Do what?
Would a prospectus on Barclays shine any light?
What the fuck?
So wait, is it possible that
think so.
each of these swap is a individual contract that you can buy multiple times? Like you can buy 5 of these contracts.
It's an ETF. Yeah, it's an ETF. So you can take out shares.
And would that be the case? Then each shares of this ETF equate to whatever the amount of total shares.
Right.
What if this filing each one?
That's amazing. What the fuck? Found AMC's price chart.
Oh wow,
This happened in July, and then the run up that we saw, it's a month behind, or it's leading by a month.
It's probably because they buy the stuff a month in ahead. Like, wait, no, you said it splits. The fractal the cycle is cut in half.
Right. I wonder if they're sourcing based on what the fuck?
It's inversed. It's inversed.
I think.
Look at that big dip. 115. Like, there's a big dip right there. Yeah.
All right, boys, I gotta hop off. Good luck.
Thank you, brother.
Heading down.
Good shit, man. Good fucking shit.
I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Later.
Cause like, let's say they and the fact that we found this 5 days after they published it is kind of we were on the right track the entire time.
So, if you look in the beginning on the item B6 flow information, what I'm taking from this is the amount of shares of these swaps that are being traded. And month 1, which I would assume is 3 months ago, their value their net asset value is higher than the amount of net asset shares sold, which is when
it's like
we had
101%, right?
Yeah, it's over 100%. But then the subsequent 2 months, their net value is lower.
They're short on lending tree. To be honest, lending tree can go fuck itself, but. I'm 160 tickers in and I haven't started reading, and I'm only a quarter of the way through this page.
It's on TD Ameritrade. What? Fidelity? Commonwealth Universe. God, doesn't that sound like a clickbait fucking exchange title? What the fuck?
They're short American Airlines?
It's all a hedge.
Yeah, but fucking.
I wonder if Charlie already covered this. Wait.
I haven't heard anything about this from anyone else. I only found one video of it by chance.
There's one video talking about a basket, but I don't think he actually he knew his Barclays, but I don't think he had the data that we have.
So so pretty much what I found was a Reddit post saying
Dave and
that
Buster's is fucking short.
The Reddit post was saying that they were planning on continuing this all the way until June of next year. It led to the video which explained to me about this swap, and then we found the file from it, and now we're going through it. So it's a cascade shit going on.
Dick's Sporting Goods. By the way, I specifically took some Go Juice for this because I need to zone in. Fucking, I'm never fucking. Yay. 63.61. Trup. Fuck. Okay. It seems like they keep themselves at about $1,000 in value when they short. They don't go above $1,000 per short position, or they don't go too far above $1,000. At least in terms of what this is showing. I don't know how much that's multiplied and what magnitude that's at. TD.
Total return swap is similar to a bullet swap. However, with the bullet swap, payment is postponed until the swap ends with the position closes. So is their debt going so high? And since they don't have to make a payment until the maturity date, that why this is the I'm really fucking really making a stretch with this. It sounds like it would be true, but I'm trying to retain some. I'm trying to not be biased, but if they have bullet swaps set up, then they don't have to make the payment until the expiration or the maturity date, which means that the balance they're accruing could have gotten so high that's why you're seeing is to phase 5. The margin requirements being.
I wouldn't be surprised if the SEC knows about this. Like, this is.
So
I don't think they expected the dumb money to figure this out.
So the question, I guess, would be the case: is this how? So Citadel is selling this to the bank, and then the bank is shorting the ticker, right?
No. Citadel would be shorting the ticker, and then the bank would be. They would both be. The bank is paying Citadel to short the ticker, and any price movement that the ticker gets like shorted for, any profits you get from the short goes to the bank, not Citadel.
Yeah, and they would get something else in return.
So, like, let's say in it, Citadel buys a contract with this, and they say, okay, we're going to short all of these short positions. They get paid, let's say $100,000 for shorting all the positions. If the shorts get dropped far enough that it goes above $100,000, all that money goes straight to the bank. The bank is getting that excess.
So pretty much, Citadel is the hitman, and the bank is actual. So we've been fucking around with.
Citadel's just the
he's the goon.
The henchman. Yeah.
Yeah. So Goldman Sachs.
I think was it Melvin was one of them too.
CFT. Yes. Oh, I forgot about this. Oh.
Would Archegos could have Archegos been one of the people in these contracts, and they went way over and they got margined?
Pre-market in 20 minutes, by the way.
Nice.
I think it might be something else. What was it? Lou mentioned that 20 something smaller hedge fund and 2 major hedge funds were the ones that are involved in the AMC and GME.
I think it's Citadel and Susquehanna that are the 2 big ones. And then point 43 or whatever is one of the smaller ones. Melvin was probably one of the smaller ones, and that's why Citadel bailed it out, because if Melvin failed, the entire contract system goes tits up, and so they needed Melvin to stay in the game. Because if it's almost like they are putting out these contracts to all these hedge funds, and if one of the hedge funds fucks up, it fucks up everything for all of the hedge funds.
Cascades, but I think they have a time barrier set up. That's why you don't see things happen until 30 days.
Well, it would explain why they stopped trading in January, because Melvin fucked up. And they had to basically put Melvin in line and fix the shit that they fucked up by bailing them out, by stopping people from buying. It's literally a cartel run by the banks.
I can't disagree.
And it also explains why the banks are making money off of this shit and they're not lending anymore. Like, they're not lending like they used to. Because they can make all their money off of this and they don't need to make interest off of lending. And $200 tickers in. How's what's VKTX doing? How are they doing? I'm just curious.
Yo, so I had a professional trader group on Discord that I'm part of, and they told me that they had source that told them that the total amount of shorts for AMC is around 1.5 billion.
Need a source.
Yeah, and
I think that's how many shares are in the float. I don't think that's how
the
many.
float's only 500 million.
Well, no,
Yeah,
there's
so
synthetics. There's synthetics.
so
there are fake
1.8
shares.
No,
Yeah,
I mean
so
like
if
the shares outstanding is 500.
Yeah, I understand that, but there are more holders than that. There are people who are technically holding the same share.
So
And
if you calculated the total asset, which I'm assuming is how many either contract or shares of this index is out there, multiply that by the two values of the AMC shares that we see, you get 1.8 billion. So is that the actual did we just find the
actual
amount of
share count?
Yeah, like is that it? Like
No.
I don't know. INFN -111.57. Yeah, they don't go above $1,200 in value on this. At least on this, what I'm seeing here, like whatever the exponent, the magnitude is 0.9. How much do you want to bet, Matt? Once we release this, Matt goes and, hey, look, guys, I found this this thing about the basket.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so can someone look up VKTX?
I'm digging right now.
I mean, anyone in here. I just want to know what their general trend is. Watch them be long on Berkshire Hathaway or something. HCI -1.02. Fate. Oh, 3.63. Okay. It's like I want to do something here. Spect element. Does it fucking? Please tell me I can.
It's a little strange looking in inspect element.
No, I'm looking at this to try to see if okay, that's ticker table. Okay, yeah, it would be really hard to scrape this with Python. Fuck, I'm not even gonna try. It's just the way this page is formatted, it makes it a pain in the ass to scrape. Because it's like literally tables on tables on tables on tables, and each table is just a single entry that you'd have to fucking. If someone knows how to do it without Python or some other way out, but what I know is fucking useless to this. Yeah, let me just make sure I got that right. Yeah, 38. Okay. I'm only a third of the way through. Jesus. Bro, you read things the same way I do. Highlight it and read it as you highlight. Fucking.
No, I'm skipping a lot of shit to be.
Oh, I know, but like when you want to focus on a specific paragraph, you highlight it and read it. Read the highlighted part.
Yeah.
Oh fuck. You know, it's funny if someone like one of those financial advisors YouTubers who have like where you pay to get into their Discord and shit found this shit, they'd make you be paying like thousands of dollars for this kind of spreadsheet. It'd be fucking retarded.
But more importantly, this shit would have never been found.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think I'm done with the first set. Part C schedule. Wait, so that was part B. Second.
Yeah, two different. Part B, the unit is in shares, but part C is in other units, and I'm not sure what other unit means.
And for 1 second, no. So end port P, part C, schedule portfolio influence. That's no. Let's see. Schedule part C, schedule of portfolio investments. No. Part C, schedule portfolio investments. Okay. No. Go down. Okay, and then it just skips over. Okay, so yeah.
Gotta piss. I'll be right back.
Yo, so if we squeeze before June of next year, then Goldman Sachs may not be fucked, but shit to that wood. because they won't have to pay for this until the end of June, whatever the value of June would be.
That's why they want to complete the contract, right?
So Citadel would want to complete the contract. They'll be able to get out. They'll be able to then get out the short position, but then they'll be too fucked at that point.
Mm-hmm. It's basically either don't complete the contract and go tits up, or complete the contract and be fucking crippled.
That's interesting.
BXIIVMUE index. That one's that. Okay, one second. So the counterparty. It's
Does anyone in here know how to use unusual whales to find indicators for stocks?
really. Sorry.
Because I guess my question is like Goldman Sachs is seeing a lot of unusual activities, and I'm just wondering if that have any correlations.
So the counterparty is Goldman Sachs, and they're countering in the Russell 2000 Total Return Index with one share or whatever the. What is the Russell 2000 worth right now?
IWM?
RU20 INTR.
The Russell 2000
Total Return Index.
Yeah. It's a contract for difference. It's sitting at it's following the S&P.
What's the value of the last day?
2,265 and 99 cents.
1,002.
Hello, y'all.
Looks very much like the fucking goddamn
Wait, so what was it? What was it on the 25th?
25th?
The end of the day of the 25th.
Closed at 2,237. It looks like fucking AMC's movement. Look what happened to it on the
This is in these shares are in hundreds of thousands. Because it says that they have at least one of the following identifiers: RU20 INTR, number of shares or notational amount or contract value as the trade date. 1. They have 1. And then it says its value is 228,042.96.96. That's not what that has on there. So it has to be a multiplier.
So one shares gave them a value of 2 mil.
No, 200,000. Well, yeah, 2 million. So 2.28 million is one is what they say is one notational amount.
Yo, chat, thanks for being here, by the way. Sorry I'm not paying too much attention. Trying to dig.
So if it's only 2,000, then that's a fucking three extra zeros to each share. Right?
Potentially, yes.
Hey guys, I got some interesting DD if you guys want to hear it.
Okay.
So you know about the moon phases and stuff, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Guess what is
on
Guess what is on September 7th?
full moon?
It's a new moon.
Oh.
It's a freaking new moon, and on September 26th, it's basically it's the apogee where the moon is the furthest. Dude, the September's like lining up like crazy.
Barclays, long derivative, Galatino, blah 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 blah. It's an equity. Payments are in a fixed rate. They're paying a fixed rate of 0.35 in US dollars.
What? 0.35 of what value?
Don't know. It says payments amount negative 13.09, and the termination is 2022. But the 10th of January 2022. So it seems like this is multiple contracts. Yeah, it's something. So is that premium? Custom swap flag. Recipients fixed floating or otherwise. Description of other recipients. Equity performance leg. Payments fixed floating or other. It's fixed. Payments is a fixed rate of 0.35. Base currency is United States dollar. The amount is negative 1309. Upfront payments has been 0. Upfront receipts are 0. Notational amount is 44,039.74 in USD. Unrealized appreciation or depreciation. Depreciation shall be reported as a negative number. It is negative 1300 or 1,317.45. So it's actually negative right now. Okay. Swap.
D. I'll check it out. Check it out. Thank you, man.
Schedule portfolio investments, other units.
Pre-market opens in 60 seconds.
Is this a duplicate? No, it's not a duplicate because it would be fucking. This one is named. For all other indices or custom baskets, provide name Morgan Stanley. Is this literally the contracts for each group? And this is how much they're actually contracted to do?
Yeah, one more time.
So, okay, so this, going down to the second set of tickers, right? This one is...
Oh my god, today's the day. 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 Today's the day.
Wait, what happened?
Today's the day. Today's the day.
What's going on?
Look at pre-market.
Oh wow. Oh wow. I mean, that's only 56 shares.
No, it doesn't matter, but the number of shares matters of the price movement.
Yeah.
Like, a low volume price movement like that is ridiculous.
Oh my god.
Oh, that gap up. Oh,
fuck.
That gap. What the...
Oh god.
Are we're seeing the gap up finally?
Okay, so fuck.
Thank God
I just want to make sure I got that right. Okay, so that's
How the fuck
Nova.
am I supposed to sleep with this shit going on?
I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like sell Wednesday, Tuesday, because they're gonna short the shit out of it Thursday.
No.
Isn't that what happened when it ran to 72? They just brought it down like crazy.
It's because they had to bounce it off because they were danger close to a margin call. I'm guessing.
Man, wouldn't that margin call them if it hit 72? Like, what the hell?
Not if they had liquid. Like, even if they did get margin called, they probably had the liquidity to like just pay the margin.
Is that because of crypto?
Yeah, they probably sold off a bunch of crypto and fucking
they
paid the
also,
margin call.
like they pretty much like fucking dropped Amazon a few weeks ago.
Okay, wait. So
related, I believe.
When it ran up to 70,
yeah, it kept
that
tanking.
was okay, and then is it what fuck day? September, November, October.
Dude,
Bitcoin didn't tank, so I don't know if they use I don't think they use Bitcoin to fuck.
Did they do Ethereum?
Oh, so here's something I noticed. If you look at what happens during pre-market.
No, Ethereum spiked during the same
wait.
period.
If you look at what happens during pre-market, today's trading will look exactly like that, but amplified.
Got it.
Look, I mean, look at what the fuck happened,
I see.
and then look at what we're fucking having right now.
Yeah.
Amplified.
So
can you check out on last week, the Tuesday and Monday of last week?
Ethereum spiked on that 70. So I don't think they actually tanked. I think they used something else.
You put in AAMC.
What? Wait, what if they liquidated before that? Like
there was
because it went down mid-May. Crypto went down mid-May. Like
they could, yeah.
It doesn't have to be on the same day, right? Because they know what's going on. Like
mid-May fucking.
It was on May 11th, May 12th. Yeah. It tanked like hella hard.
Bitcoin didn't tank all that much in May.
No. The trend started in May, like the tanking.
It's actually trending up in May.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm looking at Ethereum. Whoops.
Oh wait, no, I'm back. Yeah, no, it did tank on the 11th, but it wasn't. It came back up quickly. When was AMC's run? It was the 21st.
June.
It did tank. Let's see how much it went down about $1,000 over the period that AMC started running up.
Interesting.
That's for Bitcoin. Ethereum, 2020 May 21. Ethereum didn't really move on. Like it did. It went down a little bit, but it didn't. It was like $10-$20. So
maybe the the mining companies.
No,
are they related to that?
I don't think so. Okay, let's do this. Back to my fucking where is it? Spreadsheet. Okay, these are all longs. So let's. Oh fuck. Yeah. Okay, now let's start on longs. We'll do.
Just do the Matt chorus, you motherfucker. Are you an insurgent?
No, I make noises when I think. It's one of my ADHD tics. Don't hate.
Wait, is it gonna be like when AMC starts spiking? It's gonna bring everything else with it, right? Like all the
Normally
other
it's
meme
GME that
stocks.
does the leading, but they'll all move together. Yes.
Oh, that's the weird
Well,
part. Like you can't get in
Oh
on
my
every
god, it's
other
still
position.
going. It's still going.
okay.
BBIG running
I have a position in that too.
up 12% in pre-market.
Damn, that's good.
Oh god, it's going. It's still going. It's still going. Oh, BBIG.
Why? So why is it showing as a red?
Make sure you have extended hours turned on.
Oh, I see.
Idiot.
She's 3,334.9 shares into Intel that are long in this. Jesus. Uh, 19.69. Planet Fitness.
Jesus.
1606.34. Microsoft. Bro, all of these long positions are in hundreds of, like, if just off of what they put in here, they're in like hundreds of thousands of value compared to all the shorts, which are like thousands.
Second.
But,
The moon day.
okay, I guess they're not. They're long on
GME's
Slack.
moving. Looks like a really aggressive melt up start.
Coursera, Google, fucking.
Fuck it, man. If we're seeing all-time high today, like, fucking.
Well, Big did say Big was saying that all-time highs. They was going to retest a bunch in all-time highs.
Light gaming,
Yeah.
yes, it could be. It could be premature settlement or premature delivery.
Like didn't
problem
Big
that all hedging go through.
like Big tweeted out that it's going to test three main prices. It was like 50, 60, and 70,
52.
and then it was going to all-time highs, potentially
Yeah,
all-time highs.
we have two fucking head and shoulder in a cup and handle position. We tested the smaller head and shoulder when we hit through 36 and went up to 48, and then we dropping down, forming the second part of the shoulder for the larger head and shoulder, and that one gonna require us to hit around the $50, which gonna retest 51.50 or 52.50. And that one could lead us up to 62.
Dude, it's still fucking running. Oh, I love it. Jimbo doing the same thing.
Monday.
Oh fuck.
Century Theaters is CNK. Okay, I'm gonna if they're long in CNK in here, that's gonna confirm that they shorted AMC and went long on Century.
So would that be the case then when AMC moves, this shit is gonna plop?
Well, no, it means that they bet on Century Theaters making it through and doing well through COVID and AMC crashing and burning.
Yes, there you go.
But isn't AMC well more established in America though?
Yes and no. There are more Century Theaters in my area than there are AMC, and I'm on the West Coast. There is no AMC in Canada, but there is Century in Canada.
So it's like the 7-Eleven Wendy's thing that some states have it and some states don't have it.
Yeah. It's Century has a better global presence, but AMC has like AMC is just generally better in my opinion in terms of like the quality of the theaters. They usually have IMAX while Century doesn't.
Hey,
Yo,
Astro.
Yeah.
I'm looking at the SAR, the parabolic arc indicator. It is looking literally the same thing before the run up to 72.
That's crazy. Good shit. Good fucking
What
shit.
the fuck?
Oh, guess
you,
what?
man. I told
they're
you.
long.
Guys,
They're
I
long on
told you.
Comcast.
Bro, you
Oh,
guys
fuck
do
'em,
realize
I will
guys
go
see
to
it?
that
just
fucking
discovered one of the
goddamn
biggest
institution myself.
financial discoveries of the retail market.
Do what?
And you guys are just chilling.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
Oh,
just
yeah.
a douchebag.
We're
I love it. I love it.
we're autistic internet searchers, and we're basically mini 4chan right now.
we are synthetic 4chan.
I'm sitting in lockdown in Australia, and this is the one thing that keeps me sane. I'm not even kidding.
Thank you, man.
Fucking Australia's crazy with their lockdowns.
I'd be more concerned about the
They were
spiders
so slow.
and shit and everything trying to fucking
Bro,
kill
they
you.
had like I can't remember which province it was or which state, but they had like one new case and they locked it down. It was like literally one case, and they doubled down on everything.
No, that's what New Zealand did as well. Like the whole
Yeah.
country shut down.
But the thing is, Australia handled it really, really well for a long time.
But
And then
we failed on getting the vaccines here. That's the thing.
Oh yeah, because like Germany doesn't want to ship to Australia, I think. BioNTech and Moderna.
Why would Germany ship to Australia when like America's closer?
No, I know Singapore is. We're getting like 500k from
What's
Singapore.
closer? It's like where do we suck the most cock and ball? Like Germany is like the most biggest whore in the country or like in the world because we get
Astro, can you look at the trend for Home Depot and just see what it's been doing? I want to see if it's been.
See if Costco's in there.
Wasn't it?
Because Home Depot is long.
Home Depot looks just like. Yeah. A little bit more organic looking, but Wyckoff-esque more so than usual. Check if Costco is in there.
Yeah, I'm going through slowly. I'm going one by one.
You motherfucker.
I understand. I'm going one by one and entering the data in. I don't want to like skip around and lose my spot.
You're good.
There is no Costco.
They have
Costco's doing well.
Roku and TripAdvisor are long. Hey, guess what? They're long on Twitter. Okay, that's all of those. Next group is. Are these going back to shorts? Goldman Sachs, derivative, swap, Russell, ECDF, equity leg. Get to it. Fucking all this bullshit in between. Nope, these are more longs. Holy fuck. Okay, well, fucking more Morgan Stanley or more MS. Yeah, Morgan Stanley. Fuck, I'm gonna have to do plus 1388.94. And can I function that, please? So it fucking. Functions fucking something. Back. Function sum. There we go. Fucking 2000 fucking $. EXPE. I don't think I have that. E 720 point LNG G another Google. Wait, no, this is does Google have two tickers?
They have different
because there's GOOGL and GOOG.
It could be GOOG.
Well, then what's GOOGL?
I have no clue, but I think it's higher cap stocks or whatever is more established has a shorter ticker length.
Yeah, they're different tiers of stocks.
Yes, thank you.
So one's class A, one's class like B or something.
Yeah.
Oh, GOOGL are class A and GOOG are class C. Got it. I'm gonna keep those separate because they are separate. So only GOOGL you have voting rights.
But they're both running on the fundamentals of Google.
Yeah, I know, but I'm keeping them separate in the spreadsheet because they are technically separate charts and separate tickers.
Oh, it's because they get stock splitted.
Yeah,
well, no, what they're two different classes of
Yeah. But it's because of the 2014 stock split.
Yeah. I'm guessing what they did was they split where like you had two Google, it would turn into like one Goog and Google and like a bunch of Goog.
What did you just
something.
call me, motherfucker?
Hey, they're long on Disney too.
Oh, that I mean, yeah, Disney is like a typical play.
Yeah, with the whole COVID thing, they're doing well, man.
Long on Netflix.
I mean, Disney just had the perfect like time to switch over to streams.
Do I have a mat already? There it is. Okay. Function sum that plus 922.04. Go. WFC. Do I have a WFC? No, I don't. Okay. Getting 26.
So okay, so the value that we have established is for AMC for them to make a profit or for them to be still profitable is
for them to be in the money.
Yeah, for them to be in the money is the $56 to the $59.
Average those out, and that's what it is because it's two position. It's you average the positions.
Yeah, and that's around like 57, 58.
Yeah.
And that's why we saw them had such a huge fight at the $63 level.
Yep.
Now, we can only assume that Citadel is not gonna be margin call, or in the sense that they're not gonna be margin call at 63 because they got the huge amount of money for it. But the smaller hedges.
Well, they might have been margin called when it ran up to 70 for a bit or something.
Yeah,
but the thing is they may have had the liquidity to pay off the call.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. But I'm assuming that the smaller hedges don't have that capability.
Yeah.
So if
first one to pay out pays the least.
Yeah, last out get fucked. So if that's the case, and if we can somehow hold above the 60, then small hedges are gonna get fucked, which gonna cause the price to
the small hedges have a contract with the swap. Yes. Which I think there's 20 of them It's rumored that there's 20 of them.
Yeah, 20 something, and 2 of them was already called, 2 or 3 or some amount. But yeah, so there's like a still good dozen or so more.
Well, some of them got called. Like I know Melvin got called, but they were bailed out by Citadel, and so they're still in it. They're just not as in it as they used to be.
Yeah. So Lou mentioned that there's a possibility that they keep this between the $200 and $300 range for like a week or whatnot, and then short this down. And the moment that we go to the 200, 300 and get dipped down like crazy, 60% of the holder of AMC are going to go ape shit and start selling.
They might try to do some kind of manipulation like that, but I don't know.
Psychological tactic.
And then if they,
but I mean, people held, people held, so it's who knows.
Which I'm assuming
what was that
is
indicator called that looked like the spider web? It looked like a bunch of. It was like
neural net. It was like
spiderweb.
Was it the neural one that you were looking at? It wasn't random walk, but it was the other one.
Yeah.
I think it was a neural one. It was neural something.
Almost, but not it.
Oh god! If we hit 200 to 300 before September 16th, that'd be September 6th.
Dude, I need to build a new PC in RTX 3090.
Hey, maybe you can finally afford one of the scalped ones.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, my laptop, my laptop touchpad and keyboard is so fuck up. Like I don't have the G. I need a new W key.
Yeah. I need a new keyboard because I have like one that's from fucking 2012, I think, or like out of all the Razer products that I've bought, my keyboard has lasted the longest.
Dude, I love Logitech products, man. I don't know.
But I need that, and I have a 1080 Ti right now, and I'm wanting to upgrade to the 3080 Ti. Only because I do renders and shit, and so I need more power, more VRAM than the rest, and so
y'all remember they were talking about how AMC is entering the MSCI index fund. Is that for today? Is that are they going to be adding it today?
I don't know.
I believe it's after hours today.
It's crazy how it's been in IWM and it's like constantly being just hit down all the time.
Plus 495.24.
Oh, it's turbulence with direction.
Well, today's they looking fine.
0.85.
Yo, Astro, you mentioned that pre-market seemed to be repeated during the actual market hours. Are we seeing the same pattern in like other time frames?
Yes.
Wait, there's another work. Where is it at? Fucking work. Plus.
What was the pre-market? what did the pre-market look like before we had the run up in June?
Same thing as what it looks like right now.
Whoop.
MGO.
Oh, it's
the
gonna
big
go
spike
to
right here.
3.
Back.
Well, I'm officially over halfway through this thing, so.
Wait, hold on.
Yes. 3384.94 SQ. Wait, they're short and long on Square? I'm gonna keep those separate, but they are both short and long on Square.
That's not unusual. I mean, sometimes they have like a bigger long position than the short position. We just close one out.
The short position is like 142,189.03 in value, and the short position's like 1,000 something. So it's
exactly. Yeah.
Plus 381.75. Fate is fate. Go F fate. They are short and long on fate, I think.
Nope, just short.
No, they're short and long on. Well.
And now you get it.
Yeah. Fate Therapeutics. Fucking 1654.
What does the web indicator show? Actually, real quick, I'm gonna fucking pause in Discord. I'm gonna mute so I can catch up with chat. So the web indicator is basically just it's basically just a it's a bunch of trend lines basically, or I don't remember if it's moving averages or trend lines, but it's sampling a wide range of them. Think of it as like a multi-layered MACD. How we doing, chat? How we doing? Good to see all you fuckers here. 553 viewers at 4:30 in the goddamn morning. The fuck are you guys doing with yourselves? Jamie, my man. Uncle Savage. Golly Nolan. Jazdro. Robert. Daniel. Peter Parker chart. 6:30 p.m. there, goddamn. Allison Chains, good shit. Oh, so you guys are all Euro. Cooper, what's going on, man? Playing chess, good fucking shit. I used to really like chess, I used to play it a lot. Dan Davis, my fucking man. Moving too fast nowadays. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to differentiate chat so that I can kind of stay on top of it. Masturbating, nice. My man Dan, dude, you're looking fucking great. I saw the results photo that you, or the before and after rather. You're looking fucking stellar, man. Good fucking shit. Oh, goddamn. Yeah, Savage, thanks for fucking reaching out to me, man. Did a YouTube moderator? What do you mean? What do you mean? You're brilliant, dude. Thank you. I'm just doing my thing. Check Discord messages. Oh my man. Dana, I love you. I love you. Hey, update.
Woke up to fab but started watching you instead, accomplished the same goal.
My man, thank you so much. Dana. Fuck. Dana, when you get the chance, can you check to see if you're able to update thumbnails on the channel? You don't have to. I'm doing it right now, but I'm just curious. Thank you, by the way, for the thumbnail. I need to also I need to oh, there's another pop. I love it. Today's gonna be a good fucking day. Good God. Amothy. GMA should be running in a second too. Even Wish is going, thank God. That's a nice set of balls you got there. That's just one big ball. Damn. Oh my god. Oh, but Astro, you can't be coming up with these things. Looking really fucking good here.
Oh shit!
Harrison, my fucking man. It's great to fucking see you in here, man. Christ. Cesario! Sicario? I'm sorry, man. Doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. How you doing, Harrison? Yeah, I'm updating the fucking alerts right now. You and me both, Jamie. Aloha from Hawaii. God damn. Oh, hello. Give me a second.
A fucking member of the church! Oh my fuck! How much, bitch? How much you donate?
Dana, thank you so much for fucking chopping these all up.
You didn't have to do that.
Still running.
Hallelujah! Thanks for your money, bitch! Welcome to the church, motherfuckers!
Chat, if you have memes that you want me to add to the dono pop-up or the super chat pop-up or any of that shit, drop them in the Discord memes channel. Can someone grab a clip of Matt's stream where he read off the BDSM line? I donated or I super chatted. If you could check BDSM. And it was really funny.
Welcome to the How much, bitch? How much you donate?
Taking a starter position on dollar calls here, the super chat revenue for Q2 should give it a nice run.
My man, thank you so fucking much. Thank you, thank you. Wait, no, what?
This is a test super chat alert for $25.
No. Yo, Ram, thank you, man. Thanks for being a part of it. Thanks for being the thing you're thanking for is because of you and everybody else who has the heart to be in this thing. Thank you, man. No sellout, no sellout. Sellout.
Hallelujah! Thanks for your money, bitch!
This is a test super chat alert for $25.
Oh, I gotta do that one more time.
Hallelujah! Thanks for your money, bitch!
This is a test super chat alert for $25.
I miss your DD, brother. Good luck post Moaz. Hey, of course, man. Right back at you. I mean, it's I think everyone's gonna be doing really well after this, and the amount of love that will be had in person after this whole thing happens, I think it'll be a new it's a new way for people to navigate their lives, you know. About some music? I'm just chilling right now. Otherwise, I would. I might try to catch some shut-eye in a second. Goddamn right we're all meeting in person. And goddamn right we're a fucking family now. Thank you, man. Thank you. Zero of my messages read, all good. Gym time. I'm sorry, man. I haven't slept yet, and I'm just trying to kind of get some shit out of the way. Oh, fuck. This is just a bigger version of this. Is the chat big enough on the stream? Can you guys see that okay? Can you guys spam the chat real quick? I want to see how this ends up looking. Wish the names were just a little bit bigger. Giggity. Haven't heard that word in forever. Way too small. Good. God damn it. Keep going. Hacker. Good. And then can you guys still see everything like on the screen, all right? On a tablet, still too small. Try increasing your resolution. Fractal gang gang. I hate color that it's giving the fucking usernames. It's so hard to read. Did see a Rippy here. Dark gray with white text. Oh, what the fuck? So, about that. Better? Much better now to read? Cool, cool, cool. Oh. Shit.
Welcome to the church, motherfuckers!
I ate 2 bowls of hot chili last night and I go for a prostate exam at 9 a.m. I hope the doctor is wearing full body armor.
Oh my fuck. That's a good one. That's a good one. Should see the Rippy here. I think we're gonna rip today, yeah. Yeah. It's looking good. I gotta go make a Rippy. Okay. I'm delaying my Rippy to watch this Rippy. Dude, I cannot wait for this fucking YouTube check to hit so I can go and get some more shit for the stream. I'm getting a second green screen. I'm also going to get a tripod. Possibly a new headset. Amy should follow. Did you sleep well, Astro? I don't know yet. I need to get some shut eye before market open. Aren't you already a tripod? True. Not too shabby. Tired. Tired. Music, please? I'm just Jay chilling right now, man. I'm sorry. I'm not really looking to. I'm trying to unwind, so I'm just getting creative with stream shit and whatnot. Sorry, brother. What do we think of this one, chat? Let's see. I will check it out. Alex, my man, thank you. Doing my motherfucking thing. Damn it, Astro, you said it would rip today. Go away, Matt. Clayton, good morning, man. Good morning, good morning. Oh, she looking good. Yep. 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 Or it would be this. Probably. One of these two. I think it's this. It's gonna be a good fucking day. It's gonna be a good fucking day, and here's why. I think I just realized. Yeah. So it looks like the movement. Oh, this is gonna be fucking sweet. Okay. All right, get this. Get this. I'm hoping that yeah, okay. I think I'm safe. I think I'm safe to make a video about this. It looks like pre-market movement is a preview of what the day is going to be. Look at this movement right here. Shoot up, come down, and then you start going sideways, drift back down, go back up. No. You're fucking used to seeing the same shit already. But now look. This just becomes an exaggerated form of this. I'm sorry, vice versa. This whole entire day is just an amplified version of this right here. Right? And then if you go back, another day back, this right here, fuck me, this right here, ends up becoming this over here. Look. You back up, shift back down, climb back up, and then you get pulled back under, back again. Shoot up, come down, shoot up, come down, shoot up. Let's see. This got merged. All this, but then you shoot up. You shoot up. You just lost the fucking visual of it. See what I mean though? Holy fucking shit. You seeing this chat? Are you seeing this? This isn't just me, right? This isn't just me. This isn't just me, right? Look, this is pre-market of this day. Then what does this become? What the fuck, man? Wow. Okay. Wow. If someone else makes a video about this shit, call their fucking motherfucking asses out. If they don't credit Call their mother. Hmm. I know you guys already do that, but I'm clipping it, yeah. Feel free to post it on Reddit and all that dumb shit. I'm gonna make a clip out of it real quick. Today's gonna be a good day. It's not the same, you're forcing the data. I understand where you're coming from, but the way that I'm interpreting the data isn't one-to-one. I'm just looking for the actual shifts. I'm looking... Unmute? Oh, I'm good. I'm not looking for actual like one-to-one movements. I'm just looking for like the macro result, so to speak. This got merged. All this, but then you shoot up. You shoot up. You just lost the fucking visual of it. See what I mean though? Holy fucking shit. Core's already clipped it. Oh, the pre-market looks fucking spicy. Oh, shit. Here's pre-market. I am literally putting my own money on the fact that Bam's prediction is correct. If anybody steals this shit, this has never been said before. I swear to God, if I see any of these leeching, cock-sucking pieces of shit taking my work again, this is the clip. And what I said about 5 minutes ago, if anybody else just happens to notice this, I'm going for throats. I'm going for throats. Said it first. Oh, you motherfuckers. I'm trying to figure out what after hours would be. So pre-market is what's showing the day. But what the fuck would after hours then be? I gotta fucking make a thumbnail real quick. I just so happen to notice that if you look at this totally unfucking mentioned thing beforehand, you can clearly see, yeah, it's fucking, yep, I totally didn't fucking take this from anybody. I swear to fuck, dude. That is unreal. That is unreal. This. I'm hoping that after hours might still be the same. Check the barcode. I almost feel like the after hours is the inverse. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm safe. I think I'm safe to make a video about this. It looks like pre-market movement is a preview of what the day is going to be. Look at this movement right here. Shoot up, come down, and then you start going sideways, drift back down, go back up. No. You're fucking. Yo, chat. Here's the video. Show it love, hate. Now look. Apathy, indifference. I don't fuck. This just becomes an exaggerated form of this. I'm sorry, vice versa. This the whole entire day is just an amplified version of this right here. Right? And then if you go back, another day back, this right here, fuck me. This right here ends up becoming this over here. Look. Back up. God bless. Back again. What's your Reddit? You/that guy Astro. Up, come down, shoot up. Yeah, math would definitely prove it. I mean, just eyeballing it, like you're just having compression and expansion. Compression time-wise, expansion vertically. Hey, yo, Brody, let me hit your vape. Oh, dude, sorry. I swear to God, anybody who tries to run with this idea, I will make a fucking example of, man. Just fucking say my name. I'm up at fucking 5:30 in the fucking morning doing this shit. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. And I can't fucking for the life of me take my eyes off of this.
Upsilon Sigma.
And then some jerk off gets to take my shit and run with it like it was theirs. Good fucking lord. No, I'm sorry. I'm ecstatic by what I think I just figured out. What I'm frustrated in is the the emptiness of some people who are more worried about making money and getting clout than crediting those who actually went out and did the hard work. It makes my fucking blood boil. No fucking way. No.
Market yesterday looked nothing like today's price action. Market yesterday looked nothing like yesterday. No, it did. It becomes exaggerated. It becomes amplified. You take this and then you have to blow it up. Yeah, but is that chaos release? Kept saying to look at the fucking what do you call it? Oh, right. Fuck my life. Fuck my life. Oh, Shivers, I'm so sorry, man. I am so sorry. I still have to do fucking thank you video to begin with, but more importantly, like, Shivers has been here since day one, man, and done so much to make this thing possible. So I need to, yeah. I know, I get what he was saying. I get what he was. It's just varying the fucking. It's varying the acceleration. Vegan, no. Yeah, I need. I'm gonna look into. I've already got that added to my list. Ruga. Am I gay? I'm watching for balls now. Thanks, Astro. No problem. I need to fucking go to bed. I need to get some sleep before market open. Fucking eat. Starving. Yeah. Oh, I feel like. I need to make. OG's lounge. gonna go through and add everybody else. Hammer the nap. I'm gonna go fucking pass the fuck out. That'll be it from. Fucking love you guys. I still haven't slept since yesterday, so I'll pass out. Love you fuckers. I'll see you in a bit. Seriously, thank you. All of you.